Hello viewers, you are welcome to my Facebook page, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we want to be solving this particular problem. So actually by inspection, so we can see that this x is what is equals to 1. That is, if x equals to 1 here, 1 to power 100 is going to give us 1, plus 1 to power 50 is going to give us what? 1. Then 1 plus 1, we are going to have 2. Okay, so therefore, but what are we going to do if we are asked to solve this one algebraically? So therefore, we are going to have this. We are going to have x to power what? 50, okay, then to power what? To power 2, plus x to power 50, then equals what? Equals 2. So now from there, the next thing you are going to do is that, can we actually what? Can we actually let x to power 50 to be a particular constant k? So therefore, anywhere we have what? We have x to power 50, we replace it by k. We are going to be having k squared plus k, then we have what? These two, let me send it in. I'm going to have minus 2 equal what? Equals 0. So this led me to what? This led me to a quadratic equation in terms of k. So now from here, we are going to be factorizing this, and it's going to be in this form. So now having this, you can see that we are going to be looking at the two factors of 2. When we multiply them together, we are going to be having minus 2, but when we add them together, we are going to be having plus 1. Okay, so therefore we are going to have what? We are going to have this to be it's going to be what? It's going to be plus 2. So plus 2 times minus 1, we are going to be having minus 2. Then plus 2 minus 1, we are going to be having plus k. Okay, so therefore we are going to be having this to be k plus 2 equals 0, or k minus 1 equals 0. So now from here, so when we set this to the other side, we are going to be having k to be equals to minus 2, or k to be equals to what? K to be equals to 1. So now from here, so what do you think we can have here? So what are we going to have here? We are not looking for the value of k, but we are looking for what? We are looking for the value of x. But here we have k to be x to what? X to power 50 equals to what? Equals to minus 2. So this minus 2 here, x to power 50 cannot be what? Cannot be negative. I get it now. So therefore we cancel out this one, but we are going to having x to power 50 to be 1. I get it now. So look at this equation here. So how are we going to get the value of x here? So we are going to introduce ln, that is natural log to the both sides of this equation. I get it now. Ln what? Ln 1. So from there, what are we going to be having? So we are going to be having what? We are going to be having 50, okay, ln what? Ln x equals to what? Equals to ln 1. So we have 50 ln x equals to ln 1, the same thing as what? This is bigger 0. So therefore, can 50 be 0? No. Or let's say we divide both sides by 50. I get it now. This we cancel this one. We have ln x to be equals to what? 0. So from here, don't forget that the base that we have here is what? Is ln. Okay. If this cancel this, we are going to be having x to be equals to what? E to power 0, and that's going to give us 1. So therefore we have what? We have the solution to this problem to be what? To be x equals to 1. So therefore 1 to power 100, if you want to check, plus 1 to power 50. So 1 to power 100 is 1, 1 to power 50 is 1. Say 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. And that is what? That is that. So if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye.